Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video showing you how you can currently send money to or from the SmartBCH network. As I'm sure most of you have heard, at the moment there's this ongoing CoinFlex situation where they've paused withdrawals, but CoinFlex have been facilitating the bridge between SmartBCH and the main BCH chain. And so with this situation, it's not working at the moment and there was no way to get money in or out. So the guys at BlockNG and also MissSwap have created a interim solution, a new bridge, which will let you get money in or out of SmartBCH through Binance Smart Chain. And this has actually also created a pretty good arbitrage opportunity where you can buy Bitcoin Cash well below market rate, like 30% below market rate and higher, up to like 50%. So I'll be showing you that as well. And basically how it works is, if you go to marketcap.cash, you'll see here we have the BlockNG Peg USDT token. And this is basically USDT that has come from Binance Smart Chain and it's now on SmartBCH. And USDT, it should be equal to $1, but once it comes onto SmartBCH, it's actually worth more. So it's currently worth $1.20, and it should be worth $1. And this is actually how you can buy the Bitcoin Cash below market right now, by sending money from outside SmartBCH to SmartBCH and then buying the Bitcoin Cash. Looking at the price history of USDT the last few days, you'll see that today it's been pretty close to $1, pretty close to parity. But a few days ago, just yesterday, 2 days ago, it was $1.60. So basically, this is how you get massive discounts. When the value of this BlockNG pegged USDT is more than $1, then you can buy Bitcoin Cash below market rate. But you don't want to be selling the Bitcoin Cash for USDT when it's at this price. You want to be selling it when it's as close to $1 as possible. Some people have been selling it at a loss because they just want to exit SmartBCH. Whatever. This creates a good opportunity for guys like me or you that are interested in taking advantage of this good discount for Bitcoin Cash. Actually, also worth mentioning that part of the reason why I think today it's come back closer to $1 is because this document was published by the SmartBCH team, where they've basically got a bailout plan where they're trying to get their money who has money in SmartBCH while there's this ongoing CoinFlex situation. So I think a bit of confidence has been restored to the market here, and so someone has come in and bought up all that cheap Bitcoin Cash. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to send money from outside SmartBCH to SmartBCH to take advantage of these low prices. Of course, if you've got a MetaMask, you've probably already got it set up with SmartBCH, but we need to add Binance Smart Chain to it. So just Google this article and scroll down. This is the information that you need to put into the MetaMask, and you just do so by clicking up here and go add network and just paste in that information in there. Next, go to sideshift.ai. We need to get some BNB on the Binance Smart Chain. So in most of your cases, you've probably got Bitcoin Cash outside of SmartBCH, and we'll convert that into BNB. And if you just click get address from MetaMask, it'll automatically put that in there for you. When you go shift, you just send the Bitcoin Cash to the QR code that appears, and then after one confirmation, you'll receive BNB on the Binance Smart Chain. After that, you want to go to pancakeswap.finance/swap, or you just come up here, trade, swap, and you want to convert your BNB to USDT. So I've already done this before, so I've already got USDT in there, but all you do is just put BNB here, USDT there, and then convert it and send the transaction through your MetaMask. After that, we go to the BlockNG website, blockng.money, click on the bridge page, and then we've got here Binance Smart Chain to SmartBCH. And if you want to leave SmartBCH, you just click this and it switches over SmartBCH to Binance Smart Chain. But in this case, I've got USDT on Binance Smart Chain. Make sure you select that here, and then you can just click swap. So their website is pretty good at guiding us through the process. Basically, we just need to follow the prompts. So just connect my wallet up. Send the transaction through. And now it's telling me to switch over to SmartBCH, and it just automatically changes the network on your MetaMask for you. And then we'll give it another 5 to 10 seconds because it needs 15 confirmations. And then we can click on claim. So as you can see here, it's only done 7 out of 15, so we just need to wait a little bit longer. Then we can try again. And basically this just redeems the USDT into your SmartBCH wallet now. And it will have successfully moved it over from Binance Smart Chain to SmartBCH. So here we go, it's letting me do it. Okay, transaction confirmed, and as you can see here in my wallet, I've now got this 2,500 USDT, but now it's BC USDT. And what we can then do is come on to app.misswap.fi, and basically you want to select BC USDT to Bitcoin Cash, and this is how you get the below market rate Bitcoin Cash. So, for example, if I put 1 Bitcoin Cash here, you can see that it's come up and it's saying that basically all you need to get 1 Bitcoin Cash is 87 USDT. Even though the current price for Bitcoin Cash is like just over $100. You can see it's $103.39. So that's like a $20 discount nearly. And that's how you do it. Obviously, if you put in a larger amount, it's going to push up the price. So for example, let's say I put in 1,000. So instead of $87 per BCH, it's now $88. And if I do 2,500, you'll see it's now $90. So depending on how big of a transaction you do, it's going to push the price back up, and the same with selling. But obviously, the goal here is to buy low, sell high. If you're wanting to leave SmartBCH right now, obviously you're not going to get the best deal for your Bitcoin Cash. It's not, you're selling it below market rate. So you're going to have to try and time that if that's what you want to do. But otherwise you can just sell it for USDT, come back over to the BlockNG website, and this is where you then select SmartBCH to Binance Smart Chain. Make sure USDT is selected. It automatically detects everything there, and then you swap it back over. Back over here, as I said before, all you need to do is buy Bitcoin Cash with your USDT when the value of the USDT is high, and then you want to sell your Bitcoin Cash to USDT when it's close to $1. Don't know how much longer this opportunity is going to be around, but it's pretty insane that you can get 50% off Bitcoin Cash essentially. And yeah, thought you guys should know about it. So good luck with your trading, and hopefully CoinFlex comes back online soon. We can get back to normal.